Welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today I am going to share with you green banana peel recipe with sprout. It's a unique style recipe. For making this recipe, I have taken 6 green banana, cut off the tip and bottom of banana and then slice into big pieces. Green banana is rich with carbohydrate, protein and minerals. If the banana is big size, then divide it into 4 equal parts, otherwise just divide it into 3 parts. Like this, prepare all the banana. Next, turn on the heat, put a pan, add sufficient water and put a strainer along with pieces of banana. Cover for 8 to 10 minutes until it's well cooked and color change. Allow them to completely cool. Next, peel off the skin of banana. Peeling off cooked banana is easy more than raw banana. Peel off the skin of banana like this. Next, I am going to blend the banana peel. So add all the banana peel into a grinder jar. Don't mix any water. Next, add half-inch grated ginger and 3 to 4 green chili. Firstly, grind coarsely, then add some sprout. I have added 2 tablespoons sprout. Add a teaspoon tamarind. It will enhance the flavor and taste. Blend it like this. Don't blend into smooth paste. Transfer into a bowl and keep aside. Next, for tempering, turn on the heat, put a pan, add appropriate amount oil. After oil is hot, add half a teaspoon mustard seed, a pinch hing, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and 5 to 6 curry leaves. Saute for few seconds until fragrant and curry leaves are crisp. Next, add previously prepared mashed banana peel along with sprout. Turn to medium-low heat and add half a teaspoon salt. Stir continuously for 2 minutes. Green banana peels are little bit sticky, so stir continuously until it leaves the pan. Stir continuously to let it heat evenly. See, our yummy banana peels recipe is done. Serve it with white steamed rice. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe.